Welcome to this 9th video presentation on lambda and chemistry. In this video, we look at how to write chemical bonds. We begin with covalent bonds. Single bond. We also use the hyphen symbol in these examples, using the subtraction symbol by convention. Ethane. CH, subscript 3, hyphen, CH, subscript 3. Double bond. We use the equal symbol. Ethene, ethylene. CH, subscript 2, equal sign, CH, subscript 2. Triple bond. We insert the equal sign, which graphically corresponds to twice the equal sign. Ethyne, acetylene. CH, equal sign, CH. Hydrogen bond. The bond is indicated by the dot sign. FH dot HF. Hydrate compounds. The scalar product sign, corresponding to a central dot, is inserted. Calcium chloride dihydrate. CaCl, subscript 2, scalar product 2H, subscript 2O. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. CuSO, subscript 4, scalar product 5H, subscript 2O. High energy bonding is entered with the sign approximately equal, corresponding to two wavy lines. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP, approximately equal, P, approximately equal, P. Free radical, is entered with the sign scalar product, corresponding to a central dot, indicating an unpaired electron. Here is an example. Cl, subscript 2, right arrow, Cl, scalar product, space plus, space, Cl, scalar product, right arrow. Alkyl radical, also known as substituent, with simple open bond, and generally denoted by the letter A. Methyl. Hyphen, CH, subscript 3. Ethyl. Hyphen, CH, subscript 2, hyphen, CH, subscript 3.